What's up, YouTube? Zero here. I'm going to do a review of the Zesty sauce from Burger King. Now, the Zesty sauce is like a horseradish flavored with like kind of spicy with horseradish. I think they put like Tabasco sauce or something. I don't know. Can't really describe it very well, but this is what it looks like. So, looks kind of gross, but I'm going to review it with a French fry. Okay, so definitely smells like horseradish. Here we go. Not my favorite thing. Too much horseradish, I think. I'm not really a big fan of horseradish, but it's not bad, I guess. I'd probably give it like a 2.5 out of 5. So, peace out, guys.